Hey everyone, Laura Watson here. Exciting news. I am launching a brand new botanical drawing challenge featuring spring wildflowers.
This challenge is completely free to join and participate in, and we will be focusing on botanical drawing of spring wildflowers found in the meadow. The challenge starts on Monday, May 11th, so make sure you click the link in the video description to sign up and get access to the Watercolor Garden community and the challenge lessons. The challenge runs for 5 days, and each day I'll be posting my drawings and reference photos for you to follow along with. Sign up with the link below in the video description to get access for 10 days for free to the Watercolor Garden community and all of the files and references for the Watercolor Garden Botanical Drawing Challenge.